In cell and gene therapy, there is no room for compromise. Every component, every process, every patient delivery matters. For manufacturers of CAR-T therapies and advanced biologics, the supply chain is critical to both product integrity and patient outcomes. That's why leading organizations partner with Prince Sterilization Services. Prince provides outsourced cleanroom packaging, disinfection, and aseptic kitting services, purpose-built for advanced therapy manufacturing. Our process begins the moment materials arrive. Raw materials and consumables are received, verified, and logged for full traceability and inventory control. From there, they are transferred into our temperature-controlled cGMP warehouse, preserving quality from the start. Before entering production, every component is carefully inspected for damage, packaging defects, and visible particulates. Only materials that meet strict quality standards move forward. Materials are then prepared and staged according to validated bills of material, ensuring accuracy and consistency before cleanroom entry. From there, kits move through our controlled cleanroom environments, progressing from ISO 8 to ISO 7 and ISO 6, where contamination risk is systematically reduced at each stage. Inside the cleanroom, trained technicians follow strict aseptic handling procedures. Each component undergoes a validated, multi-step disinfection process using sterile wipes. Items are then aseptically packaged into sterile bags, vacuum sealed, and enclosed in multiple protective layers. Each layer is clearly labeled with batch and expiration information, ensuring complete traceability. Throughout the process, routine environmental monitoring and particulate testing maintain full compliance and control. Before release, every batch record is thoroughly reviewed to verify documentation accuracy, process compliance, and final kit readiness. Finished kits are then staged and shipped, ready to support critical manufacturing workloads. Beyond kitting, Prince supports advanced therapy manufacturers with pharmaceutical-compliant steam sterilization, low-temperature vaporized hydrogen peroxide sterilization, and ready-to-use vials and components. Reduce risk, improve consistency, strengthen sterility assurance. Prince Sterilization Services, FDA-registered, cGMP-compliant, ISO 13485 certified.